I'm a big fan of movies. Let's see, what's coming out soon? I'll tell you all about it because I am one of those people that like to pirate films. I like to feel like I am my own conglomerate that views films and complains about them to the public before they come out. Like any other website. I don't have my website set up yet, but it's coming. So what's coming out? Anybody?
Well, that Battle Los Angeles movie's coming out.
Ooh, Jonathan Liebsman. Very nice guy. He did The Killing Room with Nick Cannon.
Didn't know that.
Yeah.
Don't really consider Nick Cannon an actor, but that's all right.
You know, I don't really consider Nick Cannon a man after getting Mariah tattooed on his back. I mean,
No.
Mariah?
yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mariah Carey?
yeah.
Yeah.
Tattooed on not even her whole face, just her name.
Mariah, you talking about the one that's like sing that butterfly song?
Yeah.
Yeah. I believe it's because if she puts on a strap on and she's hitting it from behind, she can still read her name. She's a little vain. Only reason he wants to look upon the field because he wants to find whatever goat or cow he wants to insert his